Everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT sign up not working. If you're trying to sign up for ChatGPT but you are not being able to do so, then here is how you can fix the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure to use the email address that is never used with the service and click continue. If you're still not being able to sign up, then the next thing to do is you can choose the continue with Google or continue with Microsoft account option at the bottom of the screen, which will be easier for you to create a new account. If you're still not being able to do so, then the next thing to do is to check for available update for the web browser. Go and click the three dots at the top right, and in the expanded menu, click settings. Now from your settings page, click on the about button at the bottom left. Check for available updates for your web browser that you are using, and once the update is finished, click the restart button to open your web browser again. Wait for a few seconds until your web browser relaunches and see if that fixes the issue. Also make sure that you have an available phone number in order to verify your phone number that is required for sign up, and try signing up for your account again. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to go back to the settings menu and tap on Privacy Search and Services. Under Privacy Search and Services, go and click on this Clear Browsing Data Now option and select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files option and click on Clear Now. Soon after you clear the browsing data for your web browser, you can go back to the sign up page and try signing up again. Apart from that, you can also try disabling any VPN if it is connected to your device, and any kind of a security software or antivirus software temporarily, since those might be interfering with your sign up process for ChatGPT. If nothing else works out, you can simply try rebooting your device like you normally do and see if that fixes the issue. Also, if any update is available for your system, try updating to the latest software and sign up for your ChatGPT account again to see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the troubleshooting methods you could try if you're not being able to sign up for ChatGPT. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.